Here's how you can change language in YouTube comments. So first of all, if I open up this particular YouTube video which is in Russian, and as you can see there is an option of translate to English in the comment section. So if I tap on this will translate the language to English. So let's say you want to change this to another language. Let's say you want to change this to the Dutch or any other language that you want to go with. So what you have to do is to simply open up Safari and you just have to search for myaccount.google.com, and once you are in you just have to tap on search bar on the top and search for languages. Once you have searched for language, tap on this language which will take you to this prefer language tab where you have to tap on this pencil icon and make sure to select your particular language that you want to go with. And once you have selected your language, you just have to make sure to save it before closing this window. Once you are done, you have to simply restart your YouTube and see whether it's working or not. So hope this helped. This is how you can change language in YouTube comments.